Have you ever wondered about the history of Martians? Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, or the red planet, because it is covered in iron oxide dust, was an ancient Roman religion and mythology named after the god of war, who was also an agricultural guardian. So the planet is no stranger to otherworldly beings. Well, it's no surprise that later astronomers monitoring it, especially around the 1700s onwards, speculated that it may be able to sustain life because of its proximity to the Sun. This is where we really see an interest in Martian life. Authors like H.G. Wells wrote about Martian civilizations, and the concept of a Martian invasion became a popular theme in science fiction, especially movies. In the mid-20th century, NASA's Marin Emissions provided the first close-up images of Mars. This sparked renewed interest in the possibility of life on Mars and the potential for human settlement. Some people even believed they could see pyramids and faces. One example of where scientists speculated they would find life is in the Gale crater, which may have been a lake. It formed when an asteroid or comet hit it in its early history, about 3.5 or 3.8 billion years ago. It's also widely agreed upon that it had a large ocean around that time, which may have covered 1/3 of the planet. An example is here, the blue areas on this map, which shows regions where NASA missions have detected subsurface ice. So the consensus is that if life exists or did exist, it'd be found or preserved under the surface. Today, Elon Musk and his SpaceX program are putting a great deal of effort into colonizing Mars. He believes it is a possibility soon. What do you think? Is it the next step for the human race to become Martians?